I'm Madison and welcome back to my channel, Maddcrafty. Today I'm going to make resin coasters. I have wanted to do this craft for so long, so I'm really excited. Side note, this is probably more of an adult craft. Second side note, it's going to get mad messy. You will need Before you start, definitely wear gloves for this project. Today, I'm going to try two different kinds of resin coasters. I'm going to use alcohol inks for one, and for two others, I'm going to use sprinkles and beads. There are quite a few different resin making kits out there, so make sure you follow the directions to your kit precisely. The most important thing is that you have equal amounts hardener and equal amounts of resin. For the resin kit I used, I had to mix my resin and hardener together for 2 minutes, transfer it to another cup, and then mix it again for 1 minute. It's also important that you use different stirring sticks every time you have a new cup. Now, I'm not doing this downstairs in my basement because it was actually too cold for the resin to process, so I moved to my living room. This also is stated in your instructions on what kinds of temperatures are good for making your resin. Now I'm pouring my sprinkles into my mix to make sure everything gets coated before I pour it into my silicone mold. As soon as you pour your resin into your mold, you're going to see a lot of little bubbles and you want to get rid of those. I'm using a heat gun, but if you don't have that, you can blow through a straw or use fire to get rid of the bubbles. Now, because this was my first time making resin coasters, I wanted to experiment with the thickness, so you'll see that some of them are fatter and some of them are thinner. If there are any little nicks on your coaster, you can use sandpaper to sand them away. Okay, now I'm starting on my alcohol ink resin coasters. Of course, first I'm going to blow out all the bubbles with my heat gun, and then we're going to start. Now, I recommend using the color white in between every single color. You'll see how I do that here. So there's really no rhyme or reason to the next few steps. You kind of just play and experiment, and each coaster will look different. Okay, so that was a lot of fun. I will definitely be making a lot of them for Christmas gifts. If you guys make any, please tag me at Maddcrafty on Instagram or email me at info@maddcrafty.com because I want to see what you made. If you have better ideas, tips, any tricks, if you've done it, please comment below and tell me. Also, I will be doing 25 days of crafts in December. Yes, a video every single day. And the videos are, of course, going to be about the holidays and about winter, snow, all that fun stuff. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you want to spend 25 days with me. Not with me, but you know. Thanks for watching.